Today, I'm reviewing Replit Review. Is it worth using for developers in 2026? And if you're a dev wondering whether Replit should be your daily tool or just another AI fad, this script breaks down real developer experiences, pricing issues, AI quirks, and everyday use cases so you know what to expect before you commit time and money. Replit is a cloud-based IDE with built-in AI assistance that lets you code, host, deploy, and collaborate entirely in the browser, which means no local setup, and you can start building fast. It's especially useful for rapid prototyping, educational projects, and developers who want to validate an idea quickly, because the integrated tools and AI agents accelerate the initial stages of development. Many users praise the UI simplicity and how easy it is to go from concept to working prototype without juggling servers or environment configs. But real user reviews reveal a mixed experience. Some developers share success stories where they've built real apps and appreciate how Replit handles deployment and collaboration, but many others report pricing frustrations where credits drain fast and costs balloon, making it feel expensive compared to self-hosted alternatives or traditional IDEs. There are also complaints about AI reliability. The AI sometimes introduces bugs, misinterprets instructions, or breaks code, which leads to extra debugging work a human dev would avoid.
On Reddit, experiences range from users feeling Replit is a scam because of pricing and broken code reports, to others who say they don't regret using it and have progressed far into their projects with satisfaction. In daily developer use, Replit shines when you want fast prototyping, easy access from anywhere, and collaboration without setup, but it can struggle with larger, complex projects, unpredictable AI assistance, and financial transparency. So is it worth using? If you're a beginner, experimenting, or validating ideas, yes, it's worth trying. If you need stable, cost-effective workflows for serious production builds, you might find traditional tools more reliable.